Alright, so this video is with the Exige S. This is the 220 version 2ZZ plus the 6-speed transmission out of the car. Weight is 425 pounds and 193 kilos. And what's missing off this is the superchargers on here. The intercooler piping is not attached. The airbox is not attached. Let's see what else. The header and the exhaust manifold there. Let's see what else is missing. A couple brackets for the down here that mounts on the base of the subframe. Let's see, that's these two pieces. I'll weigh those separately and add them in. So just trying to get a baseline of what the actual engine weighs. It has been drained of fluids mostly. I mean, there's still some in there, but the oil was drained, the transmission fluid was drained. And the coolant mostly leaked out over time. So this is empty pretty much. Yeah, so I think that's about it.